Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to secant of s squared. Now if I do first derivative for the both sides, we have 2 secant of s squared tanx s dx. First derivative of this one, we will have about 2 secant, and later that we do first derivative of the secant of s. You got about secant of s tanx s. That's why we have secant of s with another secant of s. You got about secant of s squared. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by this one from here. So we will have about the u over 2. The integration of the u, we have u over 2, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.